Hi everyone, today's video is different from our previous videos. It is about a day with beautiful water birds, including ducks, geese, and seagulls. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe this time. We found this little group of birds in Dufferin Islands located near Niagara Falls, and it was a wonderful experience. See the different kinds of ducks in Canadian wetlands, quiet rivers, and flooded fields. We can see some of them here also. They generally travel in small flocks. During the fall season, these gorgeous little ducks can be found on a wide variety of wetlands, ponds, rivers, etc. See many seagulls here, and they are also migratory birds. We can see them throughout Canada. In winter, they migrate to areas where open water and food is available. You can also see Canada geese here. The geese are one of the most common birds in Canada. They are here just before migrating south before winter. In the summer, they will come back to the north again. In fact, geese can fly 1,500 miles in 24 hours. It's amazing, right? is a beautiful light show available in Dufferin Islands every year during Christmas holiday season. Come back with more informative and beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.